friends, Running Kimono here. So this is my gorgeous haul, and I had a couple bugs and issues. It is the first of the month over at Walgreens, so what I'm going to suggest is if you can go later in the week, maybe that might be the smart thing to do. Items are ringing up for the correct sales price. Digital coupons are also coming off, but register rewards are not printing. At least that was the case for me. And one of my transactions, the entire transaction just disappeared. Usually at the bottom of the receipt, you can see like the amount of Walgreens cash that you're supposed to get and how much you have on your card. It just was blank. So I had to call customer service about that, and I didn't have a very nice rep today. So I believed we were dealing with these sort of shenanigans last month. Just the first of the month stuff isn't programmed right. I think once it was even like Wednesday and things were not ringing up properly. So it is what it is. Just be warned that unless you're not comfortable asking a manager really nicely for a little bit of help or asking customer service for some assistance, this might be super challenging. I would recommend, if you're doing any deals with register rewards, to wait because something is up. Deals with Walgreens cash working, no problems, no issues, but anything with a register reward, I had problems with. So I'm just being 100% transparent with you guys. Today's MVP is Lily101. She told me in this video, hey, it is still on your list if you have it clipped for IBOTTA. What that's about is this morning I was looking for my Olay rebate. I couldn't find it. I scanned items in the store to see if it would kick it up, and there was nothing. But if you have your list of items that you've already clipped, she was right. It was there. So I actually got my $6 back because I did the Olay deal because I still thought it was a good deal using that booster of spend 60, get back 15. So Lily was right, and I got my $6 back. If you did clip it a couple days ago, it should still be there. Thank you to Lily. I got my $6 back using the IBOTTA app. And the first thing we're going to talk about is newspapers. In this weekend's paper, we have the August P&G. There's some decent coupons in there. So I would absolutely buy a couple newspapers if that's your thing. And yes, you can use store register rewards or Walgreens cash to get your papers, as long as they're not like $5 for one. I think that's a pretty reasonable sort of price. So I got a couple, and I am ready for some deals at the Dollar General. Hopefully some of these will come into play. So the first deal we're going to talk about, if you got no boosters, no nothing, these are pretty good deals to do. It is with the Colgate for $3.99. So we're going to grab for this deal one brush along with one toothpaste. So we're looking at the products at $3.99. You might have to root around a little bit to find the ones that are working for this deal. And these are the ones that I grabbed: one paste and one brush. Are the digital coupons that I used: the $2 for the paste and the $2 for the brush. That quarter one in the center, don't even load it or pay attention to it. Just don't load it. Here's the math, guys. Two of those Colgate products for $7.98. Subtracting the two $2 coupons, that's $4 off. You pay $3.98, get your $4 back in Walgreens cash, making it free. If you want to roll a little bit of Walgreens cash, like spend it to earn it, yes, that will in fact work for this scenario to get you some very cheap or free dental care. And I will also let you guys know that if you're using this in concert with a booster, you can't use the Walgreens cash. You're going to have to use your debit card, but still a very good deal for some freebies. Also, we have some free Crest. It's in the preview video I did this morning if you want to check that out, but I opted for Colgate this morning. Okay, so I used this $5 manufacturer coupon, and it's $5 off any P&G product, plus a $4 store coupon. Alternatively, if you don't have that top one, you can always use some Walgreens cash. But just an idea for like, how do I spend this? So this week we have a deal with the laundry products. They are 4 for $9 for the Downy Bounce, Tide Simply, and there's also some Unstoppable pods. So you were looking for the products with this little goofy tag. I mean, such a great value as well. So this is what I grabbed for my little haul. 3 boxes of the dryer sheets, because I never pick those up. And then one of the Downy Unstoppable. So these are the 4 products that I grabbed. Here's the mathematics, guys. So 4 of these products is 9 on the nose, subtracting the $4 store coupon plus the $5 manufacturer from P&G or $5 in Walgreens cash you pick, and you're just paying down the tax. If you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile with meat and potatoes laundry products like dryer sheets, these little Unstoppables, it's just really great little items to grab and to build up your stockpile, so a very good deal. So utilizing this booster today, I unfortunately didn't have a paper one, but I still wanted to try and get a $60 basket rolling for me. So this is what I grabbed for my basket. 3 $12.99 laundry products by P&G, 3 Olay body washes, and then 1 Glade, just the plug. So all of this was like $60 and some change. Just to show you a couple visuals in this store, nothing was tagged because I went there at the crack of crow. All of these products have $2 coupons. And then the Dreft was actually tagged by 3 get the $10 register reward. I know a lot of you love to read the tags, but participating Tide, 9 Elements, Downy, Bounce, and Dreft products, boom, $10 register reward. That did not print for me. And these are the digital coupons that I loaded. The $2 for the Tide, the $2 for the Tide Pods, and then the $2 for the Dreft Baby. They don't carry a lot of that in the store either. I also grabbed this guy, found in that Scent Care aisle for $2.49. Unfortunately, the digital coupon for this also did not come off, so I had to call customer service to get refunded this $2.50. And with gas so expensive, yes, I made that call this morning, and that's why she probably absolutely loved me. And then I grabbed 3 of these guys for $6.49. Buy 3, get back a $5 store register reward. That did not print for me. You can either grab the bar soap or the liquid detergent. And then this is the digital coupon, friends, which is a 5 off of 3. So also, as I was saying earlier in the video, when I did photograph my receipt, boom. When I scanned the barcode for it, it wasn't showing up, but when I scanned the receipt, 3 of these popped up, so I got $6 back. So I utilized 2 of these as well to pay the balance down, and these are from last week, which are $6 manufacturer register rewards, and yes, they scanned perfectly for me. So this is my basket: 3 of the Olays for $19.47, 1 Glade for $2.49, 3 laundry products for $38.97, for a total of $60.93. Now I had my booster, spend 60, get 15. I had 2 register rewards, the $6 from last week, scanned both of those, no problems, no issues, and then $13.50 in digitals that came off. Unfortunately, the $2.50 for the Glade did not come off for old rate. I called customer service and got a $2.50 credit. Okay, so back to this. Let's just pretend Fantasyland, everything came off. $35.43 with my debit card. Got back $15 in register rewards. 5 for Olay, 10 for those laundry products, plus an extra $5 for spending 15 on P&G. And that one did print, but the other 2 manufacturer register rewards did not print. And then $15 in Walgreens cash for this overall basket. And then $6 back from IBOTTA. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, the issues I had with this, I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. The register rewards, the 10 and the 5 for the Tide and the Olay did not print, along with the overall basket booster and then my points that usually shows at the bottom of the receipt, that didn't print. So you have to call customer service for a bit of assistance or ask a store manager at your store. And if you're not about that, I would absolutely wait maybe Monday or Tuesday. But this is an issue that's ongoing. Let me know in the comments if you had the same issues. Okay, before I take off, we're just going to touch at 2 different stores to have a little talk about some very cheap products. So online, Bed Bath & Beyond, the best way to do this, because you can't order from their warehouse because most of this stuff is gone, but a lot of this wild sage at your store, so you'll type in the zip, some of it was 80 to 90% off, which is like super uber cheap. And it is this wild and sage. So if you have like a tween, or if you just like really girly, cutesy stuff, this company, really nice stuff. They had this beautiful shower curtain and the hooks and a little mat and then a little basket for, I think I paid $1.74 for this. And again, it is this company specifically, Wild and Sage. So just type it in. I'm not sure how long this sale is going, or are they just parting their ways with Bed Bath & Beyond, so they have to liquidate all the merchandise. But they had some super uber cute stuff. So you might still be able to track some stuff down on Sunday the 31st. And the last store that we have is Walmart, and I think I did this on Thursday afternoon. The freebie guy posted it where these fridges were $11, 72% off over at Walmart. So what you're going to do, guys, is go to the website, brickseek.com, type in the UPC along with your zip code to see if you might have some of these products or not. If you have somebody in your life that really likes Bud or Diet Coke, it makes the cutest little Christmas gift, I think. So I stocked up on a couple. I didn't buy out the whole store. They had so many too. But 72% off. They were moving very quickly, and people can see the value in this. Very inexpensive Christmas gift. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one, and good luck at Walgreens. Bye.